The Birdhouse by the Ending Boys. A year ago, my grandparents came to help us build a chicken coop since a neighborhood dog had killed our own flock while they were in a small one we made for our rescue chickens from pallets. Hampa showed us all the basics and helped us design the coop. We started with a kit from Home Depot. It was really a shed, but we wanted to use it for our birdhouse. The run and the other parts were our own design. This is where Hampa left us, but he had given us the know-how we would need to build our own birdhouse, and thus grew the Lord of the Oaks farm. First, we collected and repurposed old wire to fence in the run. This would ensure our birds had a room to roam and be safe from predators and neighborhood dogs. Then we added perches and built an interior wall to allow us to air it out in the summer, keep a storage area, have a baby chick/broody hen pen, and keep the birds from rushing out when the door opens. But one birdhouse was not enough. Lord of the Oaks needed to be a fortress worthy of our birds. So taking what we learned from Hampa, we built the Shire. We again started with the shed kit. Then we built the walls of the run, squared them, leveled the ground, and put it up. We built the trusses out and put up the roof. It snowed before the roof tiles went on, so the wood is only protected with a tarp right now. We built some garden beds around them to grow greens and herbs for them in the summer. This should also help with keeping the pests away. With the egg shortage, our little farm we built is really helping our family. It brings in a little money for us when we sell the eggs, but I'm also going to use it for my Caring for the Kenai project. The goal is to partner with classrooms with the farm so we can bring more chicken farming to families and more sustainable food to the area. We've been awarded one of the agricultural grants, so we will have $5,000 to build and shape this farm more this spring and summer. Thank you for watching our I Did It Thing presentation, The Ending Boys.